The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is an amazing device, but one thing it does lack is superior audio quality. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple tips to help you get the most out of the built-in speakers on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We don't have much to work with because the device is so thin, but let's see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of these built-in speakers. First thing we want to do is we want to go into our settings, and we're going to go down until we see sound and vibration, and then we're going to scroll down until we see sound quality and effects. And the first setting that you want to make sure you have on all the time on this device is Dolby Atmos. This is going to help widen the sound. It gives a little bit better bass, just gives you a little bit better experience. And this also impacts the sound when you're using the onboard speakers, not just your headphones. So now we're going to listen to some copyright safe material here on YouTube. Here's Dolby Atmos on. And we're going to turn this off so you can hear the difference. Turn it back on. It's very subtle. Turn it back off. It's weird because on other Galaxy devices, the Dolby Atmos setting makes a pretty big difference, but as you hear on the Fold 7, it's very subtle. I barely noticed it while making this video. You will hear it vary a little bit depending on the content that you're playing, but it just doesn't make as big of a difference as it does on other devices. Perhaps it's because the speakers are so thin. I'm not really sure, but there you have the Dolby Atmos setting. I do recommend you leave it on though, and it can make a pretty decent difference depending on the content that you're playing. So this next setting is going to make a pretty big impact on your audio, and to get to it, we're also going to go into sound quality and effects. And this time we're going to go into equalizer. And you'll see here that I have a custom EQ preset. This is kind of based on recommendations from people on Reddit and my own personal taste. It's pretty much a V-shaped pattern except for this middle equalization right here. Looks like it's a +2 bar. And when you're making these adjustments, I do recommend you don't go all the way up on the bass ones because, again, these are super thin speakers, and as you crank the volume up, you risk blowing out the speakers depending on the content, you know, how heavily it's boosted or how much audio gain it has. So let's go ahead and hear the difference between the default, which is balanced, and this custom EQ setting that I set up. Here's balanced. Here's custom. We'll go back to balanced. Back to custom. So you can get quite a bit more bass out of your Z Fold 7 by doing this, and you'll want to adjust these left bars here to do that. One caveat about adjusting these EQ settings, as soon as you change these bars to be from the 50% mark right in the middle, so if you bring any of these highs up, you bring any of your lows up, etc., when you go to play your music at max volume, you are going to notice that your volume takes a little bit of a hit. It doesn't seem to impact it at the lower volume settings. But do keep that in mind. You're going to take a little bit of a volume hit, but the overall sound just sounds much, much better. One other setting while we're here in sound quality and effects, if you're listening to a lot of podcasts or a lot of spoken word, you know, not music, turn on this boost dialogue slider. This will help boost up the dialogue vocal frequency range. It's going to make words a lot easier to hear. It can make a pretty big difference on this device. All right, just a few little tips to help you get the most out of these little speakers. You know, that is one thing about going with these super thin phones. We definitely take a hit on the audio quality. I noticed it immediately going from the Fold 6 to Fold 7. And it is rather unfortunate, but at the same time, what are you going to kind of do? You know, they're running out of room. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments about today's video, please drop them down below. I really do appreciate your time. And as always, thanks for watching.